Good morning, students. To continue life processes, today we will discuss single blood circulatory system in fish. In this, the fish have heart only has one atrium and one ventricle. The oxygen depleted blood returns from the body, enters the atrium and then to ventricle, and then is pumped into gills where the blood is oxygenated, and then it continues through the rest of the body. So you can see this arrow how the blood moves inside the fish. You can understand this more better by this flow chart. You can see the heart pump deoxygenated blood to the gills. The blue color showing deoxygenated blood and the red color showing oxygenated blood. So the heart pumps this deoxygenated blood to the gills. In gills, the blood gets oxygenated and supplied to the body parts. In body parts, oxygen is utilized and carbon dioxide is released, which enters into the blood making deoxygenated. Now this deoxygenated blood returns to the heart again and pumped into the gills again. So this way this circulation repeated again and again. You can see in this one blood circulation only one time blood entered inside the heart. Here you can see the difference between double and single blood circulatory system. In human, you can see in heart one time with the red arrow and one time with the blue arrow blood entered inside the heart. That means one time oxygenated and one time deoxygenated blood entered inside the human heart. That's why human have double circulatory system. But when you see the fish in this with the blue arrow, only in one circulation one time blood entered inside the heart of fish. That means in fish only single blood circulatory system is present. So you can understand what is the difference between double blood circulatory system and single blood circulatory system. This is all about our today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.